Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica produces Group JP through a Dominican Republic-based holding company in which it has a 50% stake, has acquired an ice and water business in the Latin American country Dominican Republic. The holding company Grupo Frontera recently acquired the assets and operations of Grupo Alaska, a leading ice and water company in the Dominican Republic. Norbrook Equity Partners, which holds the other 50% stake in Grupo Frontera, operates Happy Ice and Pure National Limited in Jamaica. JP and Norbrook both see the acquisition as a strategic move into the Latin American market. Now back home, listed company Kingston Properties has completed its acquisition of a 1.5-acre property in Crossroads, St. Andrew. The company says the property, which was acquired for $75 million, will be developed for use as small bay warehouse units. This follows Kingston Properties' recent agreement with a developer in the Cayman Islands to acquire 3 mixed units and last year's purchase of a warehouse property in Kingston's industrial belt. Kingston Properties is seeking to take advantage of a rise in the demand for small warehouses and mixed-use properties driven by growth in e-commerce and logistics businesses. Jamaicans are being encouraged to diversify their pension investments. While speaking at a Sterling Investment Asset Management Company Forum on Insurance and Investment, Assistant Vice President of Personal Financial Planning at the company, Dwayne Neal, says many Jamaicans who have only Jamaican dollar pension investments would have lost value over the years.
It's important for us to look at the point of diversification. We also need to look at the effects of regulations in Jamaica. Pension plans are limited to how much they can invest in US dollars. They're capped at 20%. They're also regulated on what investments they can go into. If you had been contributing to a pension plan in back in 1982, the Jamaican dollar was at about $1.72 to $1 US. In December of 2019, the dollar was at $132.50 to $1 US. What you will find is that because 80% of your investment would have been in Jamaican dollars, you would have been losing value over the years based on devaluation. That works out to a rate of loss at about 12% per annum.
Now into currency, after an injection of $90 million over 4 days of interventions up to last Friday, the US greenback is selling for an average $152.63. The Canadian currency is trading at $123.91. $210.91 is the going rate for the pound and $178.18 for the euro. The JSE index lost 1,326 points, while the junior market index declined by 37 points. Advancing today were Siboney Group, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, Iron Rock Insurance and Cargo Handlers Limited, while on the losing side were Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, Dolphin Cove and Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from around the region and across the world right after the break. Stay with us.